What a home!
This one has all the Bellingen must-haves, except Millie.
Located on the crest of a hill, sit here and watch the world wake up. What a space to relax and entertain. Come inside to this beautifully renovated home. Timber, light, smart. Superb kitchen, dining, all looking over your palm-fringed pool. Downstairs there are 3 bedrooms and a large bathroom. Upstairs is a private master, wonderful views, walk-in robe and ensuite. Stroll to Australia's most beautiful rural town, Bellingen.
Position, position, position.
This one has all 3.